Hello, students of Standard 6. Today we are going to learn Chapter 5, The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, Part 3. We have learned that Huckleberry went to Jackson's Island, escaping from his pack, and he found Jim there, a slave of the Mrs. Watson who had run away, and they both were discussing. Meanwhile, there was a heavy rain and Mississippi River was overflowing, and many logs, debris were available floating it was. And then they saw a house which was floating on the water. They went near the house and found some gold coins, silver coins, and also some girls' dresses. And as the Huck was a small boy, he put the girl's dress. Now you see here in the picture, he has put a girl's dress and he looks exactly like a girl. And then they were very happy. They wanted to find out what is happening in the city. So disguised in dress, he went to the city and he knocked at the first door. When Huck put on one of the dresses and took canoe over to the Illinois side of the river, he went and knocked on the first door. A nice woman let him in. She told him it was dangerous for a young girl to be out alone in the night. She said that a young man by name of Huck had been killed by a slave, Jim hadn't seen since the night of the murder. There was a reward of $300 for the runaway. They believed he was hiding on Jackson's Island. So when this lady said there is a reward to catch Jim, who has run away, and they are ready to give $300, and then Jim can be caught. So Huck was restless. He wanted to go and save Jim, and he somehow managed. Next early in the morning, he went back, and as he reached to Jackson's Island, he put a fire there and told Jim everything, and they put the fire aside just to show that there was somebody, and to mislead the people, those who were coming to search him. And they packed everything and put in the canoe and went. As they were going away, night in the middle of the sea, middle of the river, because they don't wanted to be caught. So they stopped in the middle of the river in the daytime, and night they used to sail. And they went one side in the sand area where they kept the canoe there tied in the sand, and they covered the ship with the cotton wood branches so that no people can make out. And Jim made one tent where they could stay. They put a fire which made them food to warm, and also it kept them warm, and they were happy, very nicely living. And night they used to travel in the sea, in the Mississippi River, and daytime they used to take rest in some places where they can keep away. One day as they were traveling, they found there was one steamboat which was wrecked, and they wanted to find out what is this, what is happening. So both of them went, but as they entered in that, they heard some sound, and they understood something is there. They got frightened, Jim especially. So Huck also started to love Jim, and they became very good friends. So he don't wanted that Jim to be caught. So what he did? He went slowly, and they told only one thing is there, that we should keep silence. And they found one telescope and one blanket. They took that and came back to their canoe, telling that they have escaped from the life. They have not seen, because he does not want that Jim should be caught. So they were happy that save themselves they have not seen. So dear children, this is the today's lesson, part 3, that Jim had gone to the village and seen that lady, and lady was very kind and she informed him all what is happening. And she also explained that people are finding Jim who has killed the Huckleberry, but it was Huckleberry who had gone there. But they do not know that Huckleberry is alive. So they are thinking, because same night this both happened yesterday, that Huckleberry is dead and Jim has run away. So all the doubt is on the slave. And they want to catch him, and government gives the reward for $300. Okay children, thank you.